Hello everyone. Once again welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is circulatory system. So let's begin. First question is, the movement of blood through the heart is called denticulation, locomotion, heart pump or circulation. Correct answer is circulation. How many chambers does the human heart have? 3, 5, 2 or 4? Answer is 4. A blood vessel that takes away blood from the heart to all parts of our body. Is it vein, capillary, blood vessel or artery? Correct answer is artery. A blood vessel that carry blood to the heart. Artery, capillary, blood vessel or veins? Answer is veins. Identify. Left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle, right atrium. Right atrium. Left atrium, right ventricle, right atrium, left ventricle. Left ventricle. Vena cava, pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery, aorta. Aorta. Left ventricle, right ventricle, right atrium, left atrium. Left atrium. Which of the following is not a function of circulatory system? Transport nutrients, deliver oxygen, take away carbon dioxide from cells, breakdown of carbohydrates to glucose. Answer is breakdown of carbohydrates to glucose. Which of the following could be compared to soldiers? Lungs, heart, red blood cell, white blood cells. Answer is white blood cells or leukocytes. What connect arteries to the veins? Muscles, aorta, bones or capillaries? Answer is capillaries. Which of the following is not a function of white blood cells? Guard against infections, attack bacteria, fight parasites, carry oxygen. Correct answer is carry oxygen. Which is the largest blood vessel in the body? Capillary, artery, vein or aorta? Answer is aorta. The heart is about the size of your lungs, brain, arm or fist. Answer is fist. Next question. Which is the smallest blood vessel? Arteries, aorta, veins or capillaries? Answer is capillaries. The heart receives oxygenated blood from liver, kidney, brain or lungs. Answer is lungs. After receiving the blood from lungs, the heart pumps it to the lungs, left atria, arms or body. Answer is body. From which one of the following chambers of heart is oxygenated blood pumped into aorta? Right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Answer is left ventricle. Mineral impurities in blood are removed by liver, lungs, spleen or kidney. Correct answer is kidney. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.